College to present a paper on recent trends in IT.
Good morning, friends. I am Ramesh. He is Rajesh. We are coming from 15 Engineering College, doing BTech Information Technology final year. And my topic is privacy computing.
செப்பலை கீழே போட்டு பார்ப்போம் தம்பி.
Introduction. Anytime, anywhere, and access. For example, using mobile, we use anytime and anywhere. Privacy computing. Smart devices like sensors, signal conditioning, and wearable computers. Privacy computing is a new.
Raju, one second. Audience will you please maintain silence? If anybody wants to talk, better to switch off. Talk, take your one-time topic and then listen, if you want.
Privacy computing is a new dimension of mobile computing. It is integrated with the mobile communication, like mobile and the sensor devices. In this topic, this paper they have implemented how using privacy computing. This uses implement how patient to help manage their identity. The patient first of all, the sense have been activated and the sensor data will send their process to the user diagnosis and respond to the what disease can be after. This is privacy computing. There are both decentralization and diversification, connectivity and flexibility. My main topic
You can see the devices which are used in our machine. This is the electrically based sensor and the force sensing sensor. These are small devices which are we can put in the body. It's a lifestyle tools. You can see a silent heart attack. It's a very important one. That we can detect easily by using this privacy computing. We can easily detect this silent heart attack. By what it means, when a silent heart attack attacks a person, a trigger will be inserted and it inform to the client, that's the mobile client, and it sends a signal to the hospital, nearest hospital, and it is registered in the computer of the patient's details, and the doctor can be see that, and it can be effectively used, and it is easily cured. Its methods such as we can easily detect the blood pressure by a chip we can insert in our body. Very small chip we can be inserted in our body, and it can send the blood pressure, temperature, and even our heartbeat to the doctors who are handling the patient, and we can easily tell the patient.
அதாவது தெரியுது.
You can see that it's a cell phone. They are basically developed with Nokia 9500. It's the main Intel client which is used. Intel client which uses the Intel server, which is signal to the Intel server. That is cell phone is the Intel client. It sends the signal to the Intel server. That is in the hospital, and it's the patient's blood pressure, temperature, and body conditions to the doctors. This is the implementation. That hospital server is the main service. That patients all the details are registered in the hospital server, and it is also using the internet. That the patient's histories are registered, and the doctors can easily see that status of the person. Doctor even can see that in the mobile of the mobile, and all the information are visible in the hospital. The closing community is a large sea-like area. In which we can easily develop the privacy portal. Millions of transparent users will use it, which is very security or privacy providing. Privacy community is its main idea is making the device which is used by the user. If you can you can monitor this video, but it is very effective and provides very lot of users. It's a new dimension which provides important computer system, consumer electronics, and the power of internet. Main concept privacy commitment can be used anywhere, anytime, any devices, any data. That is, anywhere means you can use signals to any places like that. You can ask you, or you can go and in the places or in the office, and any data. That is, if the data you can have in any form. That is, it can be email, or it can be in text format, it can be in voice, it can be any form. Any device that is it can be in computers, it can be in phone, it can be easily accessed. Conclusion that it's a very vast area. We can easily effective with the privacy commission.
Thank you, Mr. Rajesh and Ramesh and Rajesh. Thank you. We are talking about cartridges. Will you please give a definition of privacy computing?
Privacy computing is nothing but making a device which is invisible to the user. Like you can sit like a hall, we can tell the temperature of the room, like it's maybe a small instrument which tell the temperature of the room and darting pots, etc. Like we can make anything which to our use. It's the main principle of privacy computing.
I want a concrete definition. What is privacy? So as we said earlier, parallel computing, sharing of resources like that. What is privacy computing? Only definition.
Making the device which are invisible to the people and invisible to the people. It's the main concept.
Making the device useful to the people.
Invisible to the people.
Invisible to the
people.
To who?
People. User can't see the device, but the details are all gone to the doctor.
So the device sends a signal to the
doctor.
The medical is the only area where we are using privacy computing.
I tell just an example. You can use in cars, anything, any area you can use. Car means telling the device, telling the speed, petrol level, and anything like temperature and AC working, heat generator. Yes, we can use in the car.
This is the sensor.
It's a combination of all sensors. Privacy we use combination of all devices, integrating the all devices.
Thank you.
முடிக்கலாம்.